Hello, what's up guys, welcome on my HC channel. Today I want to show you my brand new 2.4 GHz 6 channel transmitter with 6 channel receiver. This receiver got built-in gyroscope, but the most important thing, this radio is extremely cheap and it has got 6 channels. And also the receiver got 6 channels, so this is very good thing. And if you are looking really cheap transmitter and receiver, so you will love this transmitter. It's made from plastic, no sponge here, so this is hard plastic, but it looks very nice. 4 batteries here. So this is standard. Here we have third channel, 2 positions. Here we have 4 channel, 3 positions. So this will be very good channel for the winch. Here we have 5 channels. And here is 6 channel, but I don't have more servos. And when you activate the gyroscope, right here there is a press button. This is the sensibility of the gyroscope. So look now, this is set for 0, and we move and nothing happens. When we move it to the max position, look now. Less sensibility. So this is really great transmitter. If you are looking for very cheap transmitter, this transmitter will be very good for you. Also we've got here a manual in English, so this is everything you need to know. All things are described right here. Battery, LED, receiver with gyro, functions, how to activate, how to change the direction of the gyroscope, and here is how to program the endpoints on the transmitter. All very easy described. Mode switch, and also here we have mix mode, so we can connect 2 ESC and 2 dependent motors. Okay, that will be all. So link will be under the video in the description, and that's all. Very good transmitter. See you.